Hey everyone, want to earn monthly income from your content? In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a Patreon account, set up your page and start accepting supporters all step by step whether you are an artist, YouTuber, writer or podcaster. This is for you. First of all, head over to patreon.com and click on Patreon, then click Get Started. Now you can sign up with your Google account, Apple account, Facebook account, and just enter your email here. Then create a strong password. That's it. Or if you have already an account, just click login. Then enter your login credentials. Then click continue. That's it. Now I will use my Google account for sign up. Just click on continue with Google account and select your account from here. Then click continue again. Once you are signed up, you will be taken straight to the creator setup dashboard. Choose your category like video creator, musician, writer, educator. Pick what matches your work. Now go to your profile section from the left sidebar. Click create on Patreon. Now enter your creator name. Like then click continue. Again continue. You can connect your YouTube, Instagram, or any other social media account. Just click on connect and follow the prompts. For this time, click skip for now. Now click on your profile icon, upload your profile picture, usually your face or logo. Then add cover, click set cover and upload your cover banner that visually represents your work. Canva is a great tool to design this if you don't have one. Type your Patreon name, typically your brand or real name, and choose a custom URL like patreon.com your name. This is where you explain what you do and why people should support you. Example, hey, I'm Alex. I create weekly drawing tutorials. Your support helps me keep creating and offer more free resources. Keep it authentic. Now create tiers. These are the monthly memberships your fans can subscribe to. Go to membership section, click get started, then next, then done. Give it a name like $3 tier or supporter like this. Early access to content. Enter the price, $3, and describe early access to content. Now you can add any other tier like $5 tier member behind the scenes plus shoutouts. Then $10 tier VIP exclusive content or merch discounts. Be realistic, offer value, but don't overpromise. You can always adjust tiers later. Now click save from the right side corner. You can add some you can add cover image but optional. Then click save. Now go to settings tab from the left side bar. Then click billing and payout section and connect your PayPal or bank account to receive payments. Yes, you will also need to fill in tax details based on where you live. Once everything's set, hit launch to go live. Patreon will give you your shareable link like patreon.yourusername.com or patreon.com/yourname. Now you can start promoting your Patreon on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or in your email newsletter. Post consistently to keep patrons engaged, offer real value at each tier, use polls or direct messages to connect, add goal milestones to show progress. And that's how you create a Patreon account in 2025. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creator tools and tips. Drop your Patreon link in the comments so we can support each other. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.